So, what I want to show you in this video is how I basically create a drip from the fish tank into a bucket. Now, I use this technique to acclimate my fish, such as new fish, so they get used to the water temperature and the water in the fish tank. Now, in this case, what I'm doing is I'm just basically creating a drip system at a fast rate, just because I need to get my hand into this tank to start setting it up. And if you look, you'll see that I've basically topped up the water as high as it can get. Now you'll also see that I have no substrate, so that is obviously going to be taking up some volume in the fish tank. So what I'm going to need to do is basically take out quite a bit of water from this tank in order to accommodate not only the gravel, but to accommodate any other decorations that I want to put in there. So I'm going to show you what I do to set up this drip. It's something that I would recommend to you if you do get new fish. It's really a good idea to get them used to it. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm taking a regular air tube. Now you can use an air tube, you can use basically any type of hose. You could use your what's it called now? The suction that you use to clean the tank. You could use that. Typically, those are fairly large and may suck out too much water than what you need. So in this case, you want to use an airline tube to acclimate your fish. So I'm going to use the same techniques just to show you what it looks like here. So what you want to do is submerge the airline tube. Once you have it submerged, you want to take one end, close it, and then pull that out of the tank. And what's going to happen is you're going to have a drip. Now this is a fairly fast drip compared to one that you would use to acclimate your fish, but nevertheless it is a slow process. Now what I typically do is just use a binder clip, just clip it to the side of the tank. And when you clip it to the side of the tank, you don't have to worry about it like that. What you want to do is, if you're acclimating your fish, you want to either tie this off or put something there to reduce the pressure from the drip. So basically, this is how I would acclimate my fish to the temperature of the tank, as well as the water condition. So that ends this video. It's hopefully it's useful for you if you want to acclimate your fish to a new environment. Thanks again for watching.